Okay, would you rather your only means of transportation be a dirt bike or a horse?
Dirt bike.
Dirt bike?
Horse,
You
you
don't wanna
gotta
run on-
feed and clean up and stuff. Horse is expensive to deal with.
Yeah,
Definitely dirt bike.
dirt bike.
Yeah.
You can do some off-road. I mean, you can do some off-roading anyways.
I feel it's just much more practical too. Like you're going to work, where am I going to park my horse? You gotta
Hey.
tie it up and then
Yeah.
a horse in the parking lot now.
Right.
The tree.
I mean,
Dirt
you
bike.
might have a thing for horses. You never know.
Well, yeah.
I don't have a
Sure,
good horse, so I'm just
though.
gonna go dirt bike.
I do.
You'll do horse.
The
No,
practicality
no,
of
no,
it, you know
no,
how
no.
long it would take you?
Dirt bike.
Dirt bike.
You can make a horse run.
That's true.
Horse is pretty fast.
Yeah.
But still.
I would say it's as fast as a dirt bike, like a regular dirt bike.
They get good mileage too.
What?
Horse
Dirt
has good
bike?
mileage.
I ain't
Well,
sure.
yeah,
Miles
Yeah.
per carry.
Miles per hay.
Yeah. I don't know. I think a horse would be really fun though, but not for transportation every single day. Like my main thing for transportation, I would go with dirt bike.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go with dirt bike.
I think dirt bike.
Dirt bike.
Same.
Sorry.
Right.
Unanimous.